guys, this is Srijit. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the stocks which is having high potential to provide breakouts in upcoming days. I'll be explaining you by drawing price action patterns on it, so that you will also learn how to draw price action patterns. So let's get started. Yeah, before that I want you guys to remember two things in mind before drawing price action patterns. First thing is, you should always look at the charts without any indicators on it, because indicator will make you more confused, and chances are also high that you may miss out some important price action patterns. You can add indicators after you draw the price action patterns for entry confirmation, but before drawing, don't add any indicators on it. And second thing is, when you look at the charts for 5 to 10 seconds, it depends upon your chart reading skills. If you don't see any meaningful patterns on it, just skip the chart and move to the other one. Don't force yourself by drawing price action patterns on each chart that you see. Please keep these two things in mind. Okay, so let's see the first stocks in our watch list. So this is Sriram City Union. Change it to daily time frame. I prefer drawing price action patterns on a daily, monthly, and weekly time frame, and I used to take entries on based on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is Sriram City Union. Here it is actually forming a channel pattern. Here it is facing resistance, and it is taking support here. Okay, it has already provided a breakout from this channel pattern, and after that it has been consolidating for 5 days. So chances are high that it can break this consolidation range and provide a good move. Okay, so this is for Sriram City Union. And the next stock is P Industries. If you see this P Industries, it was actually facing resistance in this area. It has already provided a breakout, and after the breakout it has taken up a resistance and started moving higher. It is actually forming a rising wedge pattern. So you can see it more clearly if I change it to 1 hour time frame. See, after the breakout it is been trading in this range, so I'll be waiting for it to break this trend line to for long opportunities. If it break this trend line, below trend line, I'll be going for short opportunities by keeping my target to this area. So this is for P Industries, and the next stock is Graphite India. Graphite India, so it was actually forming a channel pattern. See, it was already provided a breakout in this area. I have already taken up a trade in this Graphite India during this retest level. Let me show you that. Yeah, around 515 area, and this range, and I exited my position around 550. Unfortunately I couldn't record that video. Okay, this is for Graphite India, and the next stock in our watch list is Sona BLW, sorry. Okay, then here if you see, it is forming a channel pattern by taking support in this area and facing resistance here, and this chart looks pretty similar to the charts to the trade that I have taken a few weeks before on Chemplast. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video so that you'll get to know how good that move was. Chances are high that this stock also provide a similar kind of move. See, after the so after taking support, it is actually consolidating in this resistance area for more than 15 days. So you can look for a buying opportunities once it breaks out from this consolidation range. So that's for Sona. Then the next stock is KPR Mill. So here it is actually forming a descending triangle pattern. It already provided a breakout, but I'm still waiting for it to retest this trend line. Once once after the retest, if I see any bullish candle here, I'll go for long opportunities. And The next stock is Bata India. Bata India also forming the channel pattern. See, so here if you see, it has spent some time over here, and after that it has provided a breakout and taken up a retest here. If you see, the long because the buyers are still in control, but I'm still waiting for the confirmation. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if I see any candle closing above this red candle, I'll be going for a long opportunities. Okay, that's for Bata India. And the next one is Tata Invest. It is also forming a channel pattern here on a daily time frame. See, it has already provided a breakout. After the breakout, it has been consolidating for 4 days. Okay, so chances are high that it can provide a good move after the breakout from the consolidation range. Okay, that's for Tata Invest. And the next one is Panama Petroleum. And if you see here, it is actually provided a good breakup from this trend line, and if you closely look, it is actually forming an inverse head and shoulder patterns. So so already provided a breakout. I'm still waiting for it to take a retest around this trend line. So after that, I'll be taking a position in this stock. And the next one is K Industries. So see here, it is been consolidating in this range for more than 6 months, and after that it has provided a breakout with a good volume, and also taken up a retest in this area, and the selling candle was not that great with a, so even after the retest it has been consolidating in this range, so chances are high it can provide a good breakout once it break from this consolidation range. And the next one is BML. So this stock also forming a channel pattern here. Okay, see, after the breakout it is been consolidating for more than 5 days, and on last Friday it has closed near to this consolidation range area. So chances are high maybe tomorrow it can break out from this consolidation range and provide a good move. Okay, right now I have taken up position in three stocks. The first one is BML, and next is Tata Invest, and the third one is Sriram City Union. I'm still waiting for the entry confirmation in other stocks. Okay, so today we have seen channel patterns, inverse head and shoulder patterns, and rising wedge pattern, and descending triangle pattern. Totally, we have seen four patterns. So guys, add these stocks in your watch list, and beginners, please do paper trade based on the breakout levels. So next time when you see such patterns, you can take position with a high confidence. So please like this video and share it with your friends, and please provide your valuable suggestion in the comment section, so that I'll get to know that you people are interested in such videos, so that I'll make similar kind of videos in upcoming days. Thank you. Thanks for watching.